Hey guys, it's Lily. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you go down and hit that like button. And 3, 2, 1. If you didn't hit that like button, you are doomed. I'm kidding. Was it last night? No, 2 nights ago, Sunday night or Saturday night, I did the green slime, and today we are going to be doing the same slime. It is the same slime from the same place, made by the same people, literally the same. This one's more liquidy. We did not figure out why. Also, if you start hearing like my voice cracking, Jenna was sick. She got sick. So now I am probably going to get sick. Sliding's terrible. Okay, well, and if you're wondering why I have this makeup on, I cheer. Oh, you can see it in the background. I cheer for Jill Stumble. And oops. Oh, I landed that. Since I tumble for Jill Tumble World, we have to do our makeup and stuff. And I actually had my uniform on, but I decided to change my shirt. And this probably isn't going to be, if I was doing this one, this would not be a very good shirt. Because watch. And look at this one. Like, it's full. This one lost a couple. But I did the green slime. And the puffy slime at Jenna's house. That was a little bit of a long video. If you see that in the back, don't be scared of that. See, it's just the lights. Okay, on to this video. I actually think I know how to make this. I'm not exactly sure. Though. So, it should have the ingredients on it, though. Oh, no, never mind. It's made of, like, twine. I've never even heard of twine, if I'm even saying it right. But whatever this is, I've never heard of it. See, look. It's actually slimy. And then look at this one. And look at this one. It's like not even slimy. It's like the texture is much different. And see, like that. Like this. Woo! Actually, my sister got me the pink and green, purple one. So, hold on. Okay, well, I can't get all of it out, but let's put my camera right here. So I have it on a piece of paper because this stuff can get real dirty. So it gets me right and dirty. Let's see. My tablet is in the way. Okay. If you get one that is like really liquidy, like the green one, do not use a paper towel, or a washcloth. It'll stain the washcloth, especially if it's white, because we did that and it got stuck onto it. But luckily it was one of her dad's, so her dad didn't really care. Let's see. This you can make with glue, like the liquid glue. It depends on what kind of can you have. If you have a can about this tall, it's about that tall, you might want to use at least half of a bottle, so that might help you. You can use liquid glue. I don't have that on me right now. And then you can either use like flavoring, not really flavoring, but like if you're making edible, I wouldn't try that. Like, I don't even know how to make that. You could use flavoring for that one. But use a bottle of liquid glue, whatever, like Elmer's glue, but I don't have that on me. Then you use coloring, food coloring, but that's not the coloring I used to make this one. And then if you get it out, let it sit for about 12 to, or just let it sit in there for a day. Like in the refrigerator or the freezer. I would put it in the freezer. And then if it is still like if it turns really liquidy, then take it and put ice in it. And that'll make it much better. So I have a snickerdoodle. Whew, I dropped it.
Celebrate Adult Swim's first lineup change of 2017, and oh, what a lineup it is!
I'm gonna try something.
Shows piled up like fluffy flapjacks for you to love. It's like
I'm gonna put this on this paper. I'm like ruining my Minnie Mouse right now.
you can change your underwear, but you can't change your lineup's underwear. LOL. To review, mine, underwear, flapjacks, lineup. Got it? Adult Swim. We line them up.
Okay, sorry. If you hear Adult Swim in this, I was watching Teen Titans Go, and then I started making this video. So this is like going everywhere. It like spreads.
What on earth are you having with that much rat? The American
Oh, sorry.
consumer doesn't know. All it knows is it must rock. You know, I know
Well,
it's just Bill, but
actually,
something doesn't
this
seem right.
green matches.
I think we should tell you.
I'm putting it in there,
People act most natural when they don't know they're being observed.
and it actually is matching it. So I'm gonna try to get as much as I can off of this paper. Okay, I think I might have ruined my Minnie Mouse. Yep, it's completely ruined. If you don't know what Minnie Mouse I'm talking about, you need to go watch some of my other videos. Because I love to draw. And a girl, like, invited me to go watch her channel. I was like, brah? I was like, you trying to teach me how to draw? It's like, I know that I don't draw perfectly, but I like my drawings the way they are. So, we're scraping this off here. And I want you guys to go on my Instagram at littlecheerleader101206. I want you to go and comment on one of my pictures a never have I ever suggestion. Never have I ever is like you guys ask me questions like, have you ever done this or have you not ever done this, and that'll work. Or it'll be like, never have I ever fallen on a rock. I would obviously put up I have ever. I don't really know how to put that. I'll have to look that up. But yeah, and then I want you guys to also go comment on one of my Instagram photos, like some YouTube suggestions that I should do. But like, I just want to do some stuff. So, and make sure you go check out my bro Sino, I think. It's Logan Diamond, but his name I'm pretty sure is Sino. I think it's SENIO. I think I might have to check. But make sure you go check that out. That is my friend Logan. Make sure you go check out my friend Angelie's channel and my friend Caitlin's. And make sure you go check out Brinastics12. That is one of my best friends. That is Bree. She rides my bus. She is an amazing, talented young woman. just make sure you guys go and subscribe to her channel. And if you subscribe to her channel and you don't subscribe to mine, I will hunt you down. I'm kidding. Yeah, do you guys want to see this? Luckily, I've already made this video.
I hope you're not going to say we should get rid of the TV.
Of course not. It's incredible. But you have to tell Bill what you've been doing. Promise me you'll do that, then let's go back to watching this amazing thing.
So, you were studying me? You listened to me. My opinions made a difference.
So you're not mad?
No, I'm honored that you cared what I thought.
So,
Folks feeling like dessert? Yeah, Bill, dessert.
that
What do you want?
I think is all I have for you guys today. I'll probably make another video in like 5 minutes. So if you see me wearing the same clothes, it's the same day.
Does Bill want the dessert?
Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you go check out Sino.
Place windows.
I will put that down in the description, hopefully.
Still haven't figured out how
If I don't, just comment and be like, what is his name? And I'll try to comment back to all of you. And
happy you're okay with.
make sure if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button down below. Make sure if you do subscribe, make sure you comment it, I subscribed. And I will comment, I will at least try to comment all back to everybody and saying thank you. Oh, my cat scared me. That's all I have for you guys today. So, bye guys.